skate park. Let's go. There's my World Industries ramp. Go up it. There's all my pets. Go around here, you can do a little bit of tricks. There's my ramp. There's Zobo on the GameCube. Hey. And that's about it. You can see my upgraded one on the next skate park video. Okay? Bye. Hey, I want to show you my upgraded skate park. As you know, my World Industries ramp. All my pets are up there. My ramp. Zobo. I want to show you what I upgraded to it. This is awesome. See? I love it. So yeah, I'll probably get some more stuff next time. I love all my skate park. Anyway, bye.